Yeast has also been evaluated as supplement or replacement for alga in the feeding of post-larval peanut shrimp. Another is fish food organism in microbes comes with the bacteria. Bacteria are some important beneficial good bacteria. Bacteria are used for enhancing the digestive system and health of fishes and are used for the feeding. It is available as probiotic and can be used in aqua hatcheries for the better survival of larvae. In market, commercial preparation of useful bacteria like Bacillus subtilis and another Bacillus species are available in ready-to-use packs. Alga. Now again the microbes comes here is alga. Alga are also used as live food organism. Alga are chlorophyll bearing unicellular or multicellular plants. When multicellular, they can be called as colonial or filamentous. Besides chlorophyll, there are also various carotenoid pigments which have impact different colors to alga, mainly classified into three groups, that is chlorophyta, phaeophyta and rhodophyta. Chlorophyta are mainly freshwater, free-floating, while brown and red alga are mostly marine. Use of microalgae as a possible source of protein food was recognized by the researcher in the mid-20th century. In the beginning, it was used as human consumption, but later it was utilized as waste treatment, nutrient and recycling, bioconservation of solar energy in the preparation of ice cream as a culture media. In recent years, mass culture of unicellular algae such as diatoms, that is Chaetocereus and Scletonema, and small phytoplankton, Isochrysis and Tetraselmis chlorella is becoming quite popular for feeding larvae of fishes and prawn, shrimp and mollusca in aqua hatcheries. Now this was about the alga, bacteria and yeast. This is also known as live food organism.